Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads on your BMW E91 like a pro. If you've got your tools ready, let's dive right in. First things first, safety. Make sure your car is on a flat surface and you've got your gloves and safety goggles on. Pop the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any electrical mishaps. Now let's get those wheels off. Use a jack to lift the car and secure it with jack stands. Remove the lug nuts and take the wheel off. Alright, now you can see the brake, caliper, and rotor. Next, grab your socket set and loosen the caliper bolts. Slide the caliper off and place it somewhere it won't dangle and stress the brake line. Pull out the old brake pads. They might be a bit stuck, so give them a little wiggle. Now before you put the new pads in, make sure the caliper piston is fully retracted. You can use a C-clamp or a brake caliper tool for this. Got that piston retracted? Great. Now slide in your new brake pads. Reattach the caliper and tighten those bolts to the manufacturer's specs. Pop the wheel back on, tighten the lug nuts, and lower the car back to the ground. Last but not least, reconnect the battery terminal and pump the brake pedal a few times to get those pads seated properly. And that's it. You've just changed the brake pads on your BMW E91 like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Thanks for watching.